My plan is to improve myself step by step and build a better future. I want to work hard, learn new skills, and use my time usually. Every day, I plan to start, study, practice English, and focus my goals. I will I will stay positive, disciplined, and planted even when life becomes difficult. But following my plan with honesty and effector, I believe I can achieve success and make my dreams come true. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching. See you another video. Have a good day. Bye bye.